Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming safety and machine settings. Put on gloves, shield, and respirator before touching cells. Once done, set current and pulse duration for the tab and metal thickness. Too low and you get cold joints. Too high and you burn through. Make sure surfaces are clean. Wipe with alcohol and lightly sand oxide where the weld will sit. Then position the nickel strip and clamp the electrodes. Hold steady and prepare to trigger the first short pulse to form the initial nugget. You now focus on controlled execution. Apply 1-3 short pulses, typically 50 to 200 milliseconds each, with 1 to 2 seconds between pulses to avoid overheating. Hold consistent electrode pressure. Do not rock the tip. Alignment keeps heat focused and the nugget symmetric. After each pulse, inspect the bead and metal color. If the bead is too small, increase current by 10% increments, and if it burns or melts through, reduce duration or current. Repeat pulses as needed until proper fusion is visible. You finish by letting the weld cool naturally and then checking mechanical and electrical integrity. Avoid quenching with coolant which warps joints. Measure joint resistance. Consistent, low milliohm readings indicate a good weld. If the weld looks weak or peels, reclean the area and re-weld adjacent to or on the same spot with slightly increased pulse or a second pulse. However, do this sparingly. If repeated failures occur, check electrode wear and contact pressure as a primary troubleshooting step. Worn tips often cause poor welds.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.